Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 review. Ever wondered why this tablet outshines laptops? Ever felt like your tech tools are slowing you down instead of powering you up? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 is here to flip that story. With its sleek design, huge storage, and game-changing S Pen, this isn't just a tablet. It's your new productivity and creativity partner, ready to replace frustration with freedom. Missed notes, endless stress, and juggling too many devices can drain your energy. Imagine if your screen could handle all your work, your sketches, your streaming, without adding chaos to your life. The Galaxy Tab S11 promises smooth multitasking, long-lasting power, and the durability to follow you everywhere. Finally, a device built to ease your pressure, not add to it. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 512GB is more than a tablet. It's a breakthrough solution for anyone balancing productivity, creativity, and play. Its stunning 11-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display bursts with color and clarity, perfect for streaming in 4K or sketching on a vibrant digital canvas. Inside, a lightning-fast 3nm processor with AI-enhanced multitasking keeps apps flowing seamlessly, whether you're drafting reports, video editing, or switching between calls and slides. The upgraded S Pen feels like writing on paper, helping professionals, artists, and students alike capture thoughts instantly. I replaced my laptop for class with this tablet. One student noted, praising Note Assist's ability to summarize meetings and organize notes in seconds. IP68 water and dust resistance means it thrives wherever your day goes, while 18-hour battery life ensures you won't be tethered to a charger. Here's one way it saved a busy designer: sketching rough concepts on the train, then letting Drawing Assist refine them into polished mockups. Keep reading for a secret bonus tip you won't want to miss. Performance and focus define the Galaxy Tab S11. Tech experts call it a true laptop replacement, thanks to its 512GB storage, blazing processor, and productivity features like Samsung DeX for desktop-style workflows. Influencers rave about the new S Pen. Latency is so low, it feels like real paper. Analysts highlight its role in making tablets smarter, blending AI-powered Note Assist and Drawing Assist for instant organization and polished creations. Users are equally passionate. One creative professional said, "The 512GB storage lets me carry entire project libraries without relying on cloud access," while a student shared, "This completely replaced my laptop for research and lectures." With its ultra-thin design, immersive audio from quad speakers tuned by AKG, and flawless Samsung ecosystem integration, it doesn't just work hard. It flows effortlessly into your life. Picture handling multiple apps at once while watching lectures, sketching ideas, or joining a call, all without lag. See why thousands can't stop talking about its smooth workflows, vibrant display, and productivity-boosting tools. Which feature would save your day? The battery, the AI Assist, or the S Pen? Comment below and let's find out. Don't let this chance slip by. Galaxy Tab S11 is redefining what a tablet can do. Thousands have already upgraded their workflows, boosted creativity, and replaced their laptops with this powerhouse. Why not you? Secure yours today and unlock 512GB storage, all-day battery, and the upgraded S Pen designed for brilliance. Click now and reveal the hidden bonus, a secret feature inside the Galaxy ecosystem that makes everything smoother, smarter, and faster. Ready to join the next level of productivity?